If you're looking for the perfect low-carb vanilla ice cream base that's creamy, scoopable, and made with real ingredients, you're in the right place. This vanilla base is where it all started for us. It's the recipe that made me fall in love with creating homemade healthy ice cream, the kind that satisfies our cravings and actually supports our wellness goals. Over the past 4 years, my husband and I have been making low-carb, keto-friendly ice creams as part of our wellness journey. We truly believe you don't have to give up the things you love, you just have to make them smarter with real ingredients that nourish your body. And at the end, I'll show you one of our favorite ways to enjoy this fresh vanilla bean ice cream. Hint, it's an Italian favorite. This base works for most flavors we make, from chocolate to strawberry, and it's the foundation of every smart scoop we've created. Let's get whisking. That's our creamy, low-carb vanilla base. Simple, rich, and the perfect start for all your favorite flavors. Curious which sweeteners work best in ice cream? Scan this QR code for our free guide. But before you freeze the rest, try this. Scoop some while it's freshly churned and pour a shot of espresso over it. It's called an affogato and it's an Italian classic and it's perfectly delightful. If you enjoyed this recipe, subscribe for more real ingredient desserts that prove that healthy can taste amazing. Smarter scoops, because you don't have to give up the things that you love.